Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm just going to make a video where I change the thumbnails on 3 of my videos and see what happens to the views. So the videos that I'm going to change the thumbnail on are Minecraft Murder Mystery, Genesis Survival Trailer, and Insane Hailstorm. Anyway, let's go right into the time-lapse of me redesigning all the thumbnails. I think it's important to note the views it currently has. So Insane Hailstorm has 163 views. Genesis Survival Trailer has 5 views. And Murder Mystery has 3 views. So I'm going to change the thumbnails now. Okay. And change and there, it's changed. Okay, so now this one. And it's changed. And finally this one. And once it's done saving, it will have been changed. So yeah, now I just gotta wait 3 days and see how the views have been affected. Okay, it's been 3 days, and I spent most of that making that little effect, so I hope you like it. Anyway, it's time to compare the views and impressions from before and after the thumbnail change. Okay, so Insane Hailstorm got 2 more views, Genesis Survival Trailer got no new views, and Minecraft Murder Mystery got 1 new view. So those are not too promising, but maybe the impressions will be different. It seems that changing the thumbnail does boost impressions, because all of the videos had a noticeable jump in impressions once the thumbnail was changed. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Goodbye.